So we are at the top of the Trump Tower in downtown Vancouver, and you won't believe what we have here. Take a look at the beautiful city. See? And then we have the water and the mountains, and oh, what's that? A Mexican flag. And why is that? Because it's Mexicans that built this tower. From the drywall to the concrete finish, to the steel framing, to the cleaning and the scrap. This building is standing here today thanks to us, to our work and our labor. So there's a little present for Mr. Trump, so that every time you judge us, you can think, who is building your towers? We are. Thank you.